Hey, Mike here. I made 3 purchases today in my portfolio and I want to show them to you. They're in Greek banks. As you know, I've been buying Greek stocks for the past year. I bought them shortly after the Greek stock market had its crash and bottom. Almost exactly a year ago, I started buying them in August, and I've been watching these bank stocks for a year now, and I finally went and bought them. They're Piraeus Bank, National Bank of Greece, and Alpha Bank. Piraeus Bank I bought on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange because it doesn't trade on any of the U.S. exchanges, but NBG is a New York Stock Exchange ADR, and Alpha Bank is an ADR. It's trading on the pink sheets though. Let me show you what I'm thinking first of all in making these purchases. This is the Greek stock market, the Athens Stock Exchange, and it fell over 90% in a couple years and made a bottom in the summer of 2012. And then it went up 100%, and this year it's basically been going sideways. And that's typical action for a new bull market, especially after such a big decline. What happens is, in the first 6 months or so of a new bull market, you often get a huge move of 30%, 50%, in this case 100%. And then you get the market pause for 6 to 12 months and enter a consolidation range and then break out again and resume the bull market. If you think back to the S&P 500, it's exactly what happened in 2009. The S&P 500 pretty much went up 100% in a year and then paused in the consolidation phase, broke out again, paused again, broke out again, paused again, broke out again. It's probably going to pause again here for quite some time. So most markets outside the United States, in Europe, that's what they've been doing this year, is pausing after doing what the Greece stock market did. So that means right now I think is a good time to be looking for other stocks to purchase. And I think Greek bank stocks, in the long run, I don't know what they're going to do tomorrow or next week, but over the next couple years, I'm pretty confident that these trades I'm making today, and these are long-term investments for me, I think they're going to go up substantially. And I think they're going to do what the Bank of Ireland did. I think it's a good model for what is going to happen. Because what happened to these Greek bank stocks is they recapitalized 2 months ago. They did a giant private placement. They did giant financings at below their trading price. That caused the stocks to drop more. But they're now in a position to start making money, and it's analysts expect them to turn a profit next year. And I think they're going to do what the Bank of Ireland has done and what a lot of the U.S. stocks that were bank stocks did in 2009. But IRE is a good model. Right here, IRE recapitalized and did a reverse stock split and then fell for about a month and put in a bottom, and it's been going up ever since. But after the bottom, it took off, then went sideways and went up. But so far, this recapitalization dump was the final bottom for this stock. And I think that's what's going on in the bank stocks. Let's take a look at NBG here. They had NBG and the other Greek banks had a sharp rally into May, and then they recapitalized and dumped. And I think they're putting in a bottom now. Now they could fall more. I don't think they will, but they could. But I think what's going to happen with them is they're going to base for a while, maybe a month, 2 months, 3 months, maybe just a few days. I really don't know. And then break out and just go up. I think, here or sometime in the next few weeks is going to be their major bottoms, and from then for the next couple of years, I think they're going to go higher. I think these stocks will go up 5 to 10 times as much in a couple years. But these are small positions I bought. because it's possible they haven't bottomed. So I just put in less than 2% of my money in each one of these individual positions, and I'm just holding them. I don't have stops on them. If they fall 50%, I don't care. I'm not selling. These are long-term positions, and a 50% drop won't damage my overall portfolio because the positions are very tiny. But if these stocks go up 5 times or even 10 times in the next couple of years, they'll still, make me nice little returns that add up. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm buying these stocks. This is NBG, ALBKY, and then I bought Piraeus, which doesn't trade the United States. I had to purchase it on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. Let me show you a chart of it, though. This is Yahoo Finance, and it's only got like $140 million market cap. The other stock's $300 to $400 million, but they're not very liquid. These aren't trading. I don't think these are stocks to trade. These are stocks to invest in if you're looking for something that has the potential to go up a whole lot. This is Piraeus right here. I'm using Yahoo Finance to show it. Again, I bought it on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, and it doesn't do very much volume at all. Average daily volume is only 48,000, and I bought 5,000 today, so I'm half of today's volume. So, I don't care because I'm not going to jump in and out of this stock. If you want the information on it, type Frankfurt Stock Exchange, and you can see it right here. So that's what I've done today. I don't plan on doing any more buys in the next couple of days. I do think it's a good chance I'll be doing more purchases in August, and I've got my eye on more European stocks and more mining stocks and all kinds of stuff. And last night we did a good Power Investor webinar, and that's the private members area, and talked about what's going on. But check these stocks out for yourself and see if you're interested in them. But I think they're going to be fun. So I'll talk to you later.